Hi traders, so in today's video I would like to show you this because as you see, this is a really worthy totem, and yeah, so I show it to you again. Now in today's video I will talk about technical analysis and how to do it right, because I see so many people don't even know what is technical analysis, and they call themselves traders and they try to just analyze the markets, and actually they are just gamblers, because technical analysis is a really complex and serious thing, and you can't do it by just just put together two moving averages randomly and don't even test it back and don't even optimize the parameters and just all the stop loss and take profit levels. And I talk about people who want to trade with robots and also manual traders, because if you are trade manual strategy, you are not free from test your strategies. You have to test them, and actually the thing is that if you trade without robots, you still have to test your strategies, because if you don't know how your strategy performed in the last years, how do you trust it? How you know how it works, what it does, what are the numbers? Because the main thing, the key in technical analysis is the following: it is the trust that you can have in a system and a knowledge about the system itself. And with technical analysis, you can have the knowledge about the numbers, because you can gather just billions of data points, and you can analyze them, and you can just gather them and and make decisions based on them, and it is really important. And so what is technical analysis? It is because it is basically a a price prediction system that you put together based on price and volume. And it is not the opposite, but it is really different than fundamental analysis that is based on the economic value of a certain company, or or a currency pair, and that is just really different than analyzing the market based on technical indicators and formulas, and just the psychology of the market, of the people who are the traders. Because many people don't know it, but technical analysis is just you analyze the psychology behind the markets and the patterns, the price action patterns that you use, the butterflies, the the wedge patterns, and all they are basically the derivatives of the psychology of the traders. The fear, the greediness, they are all just manifest, and they appear in the markets. And when you see these patterns, it means that humans remained humans. And actually it is really interesting, because when you trade with robots, robots are not humans, and it. But when you trade with robots, I see so many traders, and I think this is the biggest thing that keeps you from being profitable with trading robots, that you interrupt your robot because of fear and greed. And it is so interesting to see that you have a really good system. You backtested it for 10 years. You know everything about it, and after 2 losing trades, you start to just not believing in that system. And it is crazy because you have backtested it for 10 years. And if two losing trades just confuse you, and you start to just be crazy and start to interrupt your trading robot, I have to tell you, you can't trade with robots, and it is just really sad because I see so many actually good trading strategies and trading robots, but people are people, and people are humans, and humans just can't. They just can't control their emotions, even trading with robots. And I think this is the biggest thing that keep you from being profitable and to be a really great technical analyst. And this is why I talk about the sentiment index a lot, because that basically describes how traders just react to certain market events with fear and greed. And actually, technical analysis is basically a study of behavioral economics and statistical analysis. So I have recommendations for you in terms of trading patterns that you can use, understand, and learn in your trading. So I would recommend to look up the following patterns. I might make video on them separately in the future, but until then I don't want to just hide these informations. So I recommend to analyze these patterns: falling wedge, double bottoms, double tops, triple bottoms, head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, descending triangles, and ascending triangles. These are the patterns that I recommend for you to look up today and start to learn about market psychology and your own psychology in the markets, because that is the key to success. But you have to master yourself, but you have to master others as well. So you have to learn about other traders, because the markets just works this way. If you lose, others win. If others lose, you win. So basically you have to win, and you have to be a better trader than others, and master yourself better basically than others do, and understand the market psychology behind humans, and just understand the the psychology that bots rely on. So this was today's video. I hope it was interesting for you. And just one more thing, technical analysis in general is basically just a study of how the past indicates the future. And it is really interesting because forex markets actually always just get me think about just philosophy and all kinds of matters that are not related to actual trading, but they help me to just get better at trading as well. So yeah, ciao, and be a trader.